Hey Real Academics, in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own YouTube channel. All right, if you go to YouTube, what you can do here is click on your account, click on create a channel. Voila. I don't like this handle. I probably would take this off. If I could, I'd see if it would let me. I'm not going to actually create it. Okay, it says it's already taken, so I don't know. I'm just going to make something up. And all I would do is say create channel, and that would be my channel. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So it's a very short video. I am going to show you though, I do have a live YouTube channel, so I can show you that. That's my Real Academics YouTube, very baby channel that I'm obviously trying to grow by making more videos here that are useful to people. We can talk about how to be a little more consistent with content. It's actually quite challenging sometimes. So you can see kind of what it looks like. Again, this is baby channel, really sadly baby. But you'll have a handle. One of the things YouTube does is just give you so many statistics that you can just track. But anyhow, you can see I've got videos uploaded here. You can create playlists, which is just a way of organizing, like, okay, everything related to career topics, all my videos are here. They're all like uploaded here. Or organized there. They're not uploaded there. They're just organized in that way. And when you set up your account, it'll prompt you to put things like, your logo or your picture of you and, what you're about. And if you have a website, if you haven't seen my video on how to create your own website really easily, and even if you wanted your own custom domain name, then definitely check that video out. I'll try to drop a link to it in the comments. Anyhow, so yeah, that's how that looks. Now, if you want to upload a video, you go to manage videos, I believe. Yep, here we go. I'll give you a lot more stats. You can create a video. You just click on upload video. If you've already got a video recorded, and it will upload it and render it. And you can see it keeps track of lots and lots of data. So I could click on analytics and dashboard, and we could see a lot more information about the videos and the channel. So not hard. If you wanted to grow a channel or a platform or all that, there are so many people on YouTube that talk about that. I'm not going to bore you with that right now, unless you want to know a little more as I learn. I'm happy to share that. As you can see, this has not been my priority, but I'm trying to make it so, because I am hearing people wanting more video format, and I totally get that, because I've actually found YouTube incredibly useful for myself in learning just a lot of new things. It's just it can be an amazing platform. Just like anything, it can be terrible, but it can also be amazing. And so I hope I'm contributing to the helpful side of it, which is why I'm doing this for you. So again, if you want to know more in depth about something specific, that would prompt me with ideas so I can actually know like what you want to know, and I could hopefully make a video on that for you. I'd be happy to, so drop some comments. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And the reason YouTube people say this is because it's so incredibly important for the algorithm, so that videos reach a wider audience. If people don't interact, then it's very difficult for the videos to reach more people. Again, so if you found this content useful, doing those things would really help me out. Not just me, but others, if the content's helpful. All right, until next time, I'll see you later.